Hi guys, now we are going to discuss about how content marketing tactics or tips will work for 2019 and beyond, and which has been proven tactics which work for me, the same thing will work for me for sure. Now we'll go into the topic. The best four type of strategy or structure should be work for the content marketing. Just check this. First tip, just check the content topic. Choose the best content topic and which is going viral, which is going addictive, which is going more engaging and readable content. And research the best keywords around the topic. This is the second tip I'm going to suggest you. And finally, make sure the structure of your content topic should be more viral. Like you should frame content of good structure. And finally, fourth tip, optimize well for search engines. Do SEO for your content topic. First topic, you will check how to choose best content topic. There are certain tools which helps you to find best content topic. I will let you know. I will help you. Like BuzzSumo, Href Content Explorer, and Quora. And those are the forums or the tools. This is the BuzzSumo. It shows you complete content which is going viral and which is engaging well in all the social media platforms. In and around where this is Href Content Explorer. This will help you to find best performing content, best content going viral. And finally, you will chat with the Quora and the forums and the public answers. There you can find best content which is going viral and the good topic you can choose around it. And one more best thing I will let you know, go to your Google Analytics tool. There is Google Analytics tool. Click on the behavior and click on the site content, and the bottom line it shows you landing pages. There you can check which page content is going good and doing best of your project, of your services. This is the best proven methods for best content topic choosing. Next, another topic, we will check on it. Another tip, that is, research the best keyword. How to find the best keyword for your content topic? I'll let you know. Use Google Suggest. This is the way how to find Google Suggest. It shows you the result, relevancy of your content, search term. And YouTube Suggest. This is the way you can use YouTube Suggest to find the content, performing content of your niche topic, chosen topic. And one of the best tool is Chaitanya.D. This tool also will help you to find the best content which is going there. And one more thing, you can chat with that Quora where long-term keyword relevant to your niche. And this is how the content will work. And how can you implement these strategies which work for you? What kind of structure you require for your content? I'll let you know. Before that, you can check a few more tools which helps you to find the best for keyword research. These are the tools you can find best keyword for your niche. And now we move to the topic. Best structure for your content post. What kind of structure you could do? Do one thing. Structure means the infographic submission, the content should be more informative and more viral, and H1 tag, header tags, and H2 tag, the content should be there. Content should be more longer, highlighting with the bulleted points, and these are the key metrics which helps user to engage. And one more major thing, adding the video along with the content. That shows you the relevancy. So these are the major factors. This is the best example which I have come across, and this shows you tends to rank good structure for your content post. And finally, optimization. How well you optimize your content post or the blog post. Meta title which has to be started with the keyword, and meta description tends to be a call to action. And whereas the content H1 tag, H2 tag, and our keyword you have to use the long-term front faces and should be infographical, and you have to use bulleted points and paragraphs, tables, listings, and H1 tag, H2 tag, etc. This content strategy will work for you. So, this is an example for how to optimize your content for SEO. You can check this. And finally, you got to know how well to choose best content marketing tips and tactics that works for 2019 and beyond. And hope you understood. If any doubts, anything, just comment below. I will get back to you on this. Thank you.